Crowdstrike earnings is going to be tomorrow right after the bell. I just wanted to do a quick video here. Maria's been working with AI on figuring out what we're going to do on this. We've had some great luck in NVIDIA, MBD, and Oracle. And so we're going to be trading this tomorrow at 3:30. Remember, in earnings trades, what you really want to be trading is the volatility crush that happens. There's a lot of fear in the market before the earnings come out. Once that earnings comes out, the volatility goes down. So we're going to be just selling puts. That means we're going to get paid a lot for that fear. So let's take this one off. What we're going to be doing is somewhere in the 14 delta to 26 delta, somewhere between 460 and 480. And we don't know exactly where that's going to be, but these numbers here are going to be going up probably tomorrow. If you tune into the channel around 2:30, we'll drop exactly what our trade is in those funds. But just to give you a general idea, probably my number one trade right now would be 475, and I'd be looking to get around $9 for this particular trade. But we will be able to get it tomorrow because of the volatility. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Maria and I both will take a look at them tomorrow morning and come back, check it out about 2:30, and we'll drop a video with exactly what we're going to be trading in our accounts. Hope you have a great trading day.